Good day, guys. So it's nice to see all of you, and I know, I haven't posted anything lately. Also, I just want you to know that I just dropped my uh, A1, Sony A1. I forgot the name, Sony A1, and hit the side. Good thing it had a cage on it, or it would have messed the top apart or destroyed the viewfinder. But that cage absorbed all the pressure when it fell to the ground. So I'm happy for it. Yeah, that's it. How are you guys going? So yeah, there's not much going on. Like I have traveled. Also, I was supposed to post a vlog of our Tassie travel, but been so busy. Been doing a lot of things. Also freelancing a lot of photos, photography and videography. Just trying to do a vlog in one of my gigs, but end up getting so busy. So I just started, and stopped. But yeah, and it's nice to be here in Box Hill now. I'm just trying to deal one of my LCD screens. I'm here in Box Hill and just trying to drop it off. And yeah, that's the current update. I need to put up some more videos. I need to put up more content, but there's nothing much. It's like crappy blabber vlog that's happening right now. So yeah, I'll try my best. Also set my volume so low earlier. Yeah, gotta fix that. So this thing, when you're vlogging in front of a car, when you're vlogging in the road and there's a car in front of you, all the red light's gonna go to your face and you're gonna turn red. This is what happens. This is what fucking happens. Come back to Box Hill traffic. So that's Box Hill traffic. Fuck. So that's a G63 out there. Not really a fan, but lately I've been looking at it. It's nice. Just too pricey for me. Not my, not my price range. So I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna be like putting up a good vlog today, but pretty sure I'm gonna put this up. Should put this up, and yeah, I'm in Box Hill right now, and there's nothing going on. So I'm just gonna leave my camera here. Yep. Hey guys, so I'm currently home right now, and just started trying to restart back with vlogging. I have a lot of files here, which I have rendered useless because I didn't finish a story and I didn't fully create stuff. I was trying to vlog through my gigs and everything, but I'm busy. I've been thinking a lot and been doing a lot of backlog editing here with my photos. And also, I'm doing videography for a studio, so yeah, solo videography. So I'm really full right now. My what you call this? My creativity for vlogs is just nowhere. But either way, I'm trying my best to get back to this thing, and hopefully you can get more content out of me, even though it's nonsense. And yes, yeah, just like that, I have nothing else to say. Just want to say hi to you guys, and also today's April 2023. My birthday is just around the corner. Hopefully, I don't know, something nice gonna happen. I don't know. Hopefully, I get to do something nice, like a good vlog, a good video, a good tutorial. I even have some tutorial or like gear videos here, which is on my computer. Well, my computer is just here. I'm watching Viva La Dirt League also on my free time. But yeah, I wish I can put up more videos. And before I've been saying that I want to try to put up videos right now, I wish I can because I have a lot of content here, though they're getting stale and they won't be used, but hopefully in the future. That's it for now. Nonsense video for today, and just want to say hi. Vlog is just nothing for today, just blabbering and using the whatever I have here. Trying to set up the lights also. I don't know. I'm using S-Log. I used to do Cine 4, which look like this. Okay, I had to switch it back. So I used to do this, which is Cine 4. Oh, what did I used to do? Okay, used to do this, which is Cine 4, and just check with the light. And this is how the Cine 4 look from the S-Log earlier, and this is how it's color graded. But yeah, other than that, yeah. See you again for our nonsense vlogs.